Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 221 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this AOA Studio Go Brow. So I got this from ShopMissA.com, so that means that this retails for only $1 and it's cruelty free. This is also paraben free and it comes in 5 different colors. I picked it up in the shade Taupe, which is the lightest shade that you can choose from. I typically choose a light taupe shade for my eyebrow products because, as you can see, I have light hair, light eyebrows, even though I feel like I was noticing today that my eyebrow hairs are looking a little darker, which I don't really know why, but I'm kind of happy with that because I love a bold brow. But gosh, I feel like it's been so long since I've tried out a brow gel on my channel. I've probably only tried out like a couple on my channel. Out of all 221 days, I've probably tried like 2 brow gels, and that's because I've been loving the NYX tinted brow gel. I use that pretty much every single day, so I will link that down below if you want to see my video on that one. But I figured when I was doing my ShopMissA haul, it's great to try out new brow products, especially since I'm probably going to be running out of that NYX brow gel any day now. So maybe this Go Brow will be my next brow gel. I've been a big fan of AOA Studios. I picked up a lot of AOA Studio products when I did my first ShopMissA haul, and this is another one of them. So, alright, this is so cute and exactly what I'm looking for. This is such a tiny brush. This looks like it'll be easy to work with. We're gonna find out. This is a very small tube, I think, compared to the NYX product that I'm used to, which is a lot bigger than this, but at least this is only $1. It's a little weird to swatch an eyebrow gel, but I can't really tell what color it is, so I'm very curious. I feel like it does not apply very easily, and this brush is actually very stiff. But from what I can tell, this color looks pretty good. It doesn't look super orange. I think this should be okay. Let's go ahead and apply it to my brows. And you can probably tell that I did not fill in my brows with a pencil at all. This product can be used after filling in your brows with a pencil, but I feel like when I'm trying out a brow gel, especially a tinted one for the first time, I like to do it without anything in my brows so then I can really see how it applies. And right away, I am noticing great pigment, but I am shocked that this is the taupe shade that claims to be for light blonde to dark blonde. I mean, I'm certainly not light blonde, but I feel like this color is dark. I am actually loving this applicator. Even though I did say it was stiff, it combs through the hairs so easily. Wow. This really does have so much pigment, but look at the difference in my eyebrows right now. And that's without any pencil. My eyebrow is so defined and so filled in. I'm actually really liking this. And that was really quick and easy. I mean, this has to just like go with my natural eyebrow shape because it's pretty much attaching to my eyebrow hairs. So I personally like to perfect my eyebrow shape a little bit, but really as far as my eyebrows being filled in, this does a perfectly good job. Like, this does enough to fill my eyebrows in completely. It's more just me wanting to add that shape and definition, but I don't feel like I need to add any more like filled in volume to my eyebrows because this does enough. I'm going to go ahead and fill in my other eyebrow, and I'm going to try and go in with a little less product and see if maybe it looks a little less dark. Also, I'm trying out that Ulta Beauty Moisturizing Foundation Stick as my foundation today, and I wanted to give it another try with my skin like very exfoliated, well primed, and I applied it this time with a beauty sponge, and it really didn't even make a difference. My skin still looks so like dry and flaky, and I just hate the texture of how my skin looks right now. I think that from a distance it probably looks okay, but up close it looks so bad in my opinion, and I'm really bummed because I really want a good foundation stick. I'm not finding that going in lighter makes that much a difference because this color kind of remains that same more dark brown shade. In my experience with eyebrow products for someone with very light hair, I think it's hard to find that perfect like blonde shade for eyebrows because normally they're like too dark or they're too orange. I've really only found like that one NYX eyebrow gel in the shade taupe that actually works for my eyebrows. Like this one here, it just looks dark. I think I could get used to it, but as far as this formula goes, I'm pretty impressed. So definitely if you're someone with darker eyebrows, maybe I recommend going a shade down in darkness because I think that this is pretty dark. If you have like a medium brown hair and eyebrows, I think that this taupe shade actually works pretty well. Oh, wow, this really does have so much pigment, and then it's not smudging at all, and it's really doing its job of keeping my eyebrow hairs in place. I have pretty long eyebrow hairs, so it's really important to me that I put them in place with gel, and this gel I can tell is going to hold them in place all day. I don't have to worry about those crazy stray hairs coming out. So yay, I am so glad that I'm happy with this $1 eyebrow gel. Filling in my eyebrows is one of my favorite steps of doing makeup, so I'm pretty particular about the products that I'm going to use, but I can say that I will continue to use this. My only downside to this product is that the color is not true to how it looked online and what I was expecting, but let me know in the comments down below, do you think I can pull off this darker shade on my eyebrows? And also, let me know in the comments down below your favorite eyebrow gels. I definitely think that I'm going to continue to use this after my next product, but I can tell that this is not going to last me a very long time because it does not come with much in it. So soon I'm going to be on the lookout for another brow gel, and I love recommendations. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.